What's up, guys? Welcome to another video. I wasn't gonna make one, but too many cool things happened today for me to just not record it. It's gonna be a talking video, but I'm gonna show you like all the cool stuff that we did today to my brother's Corolla. We did a lot of modifications, and I'll go step by step on what we did today, and we're still doing to it. What was needed, and well, I'll show you as we go. Alright, so this is the old radiator support. So what had happened before was a car got in an accident in the front corner right here, and then they cut it right here and all the way down to the rails and this portion right here, so then everything here was new, and then they redid all that, but it was never really straight, and so owner after owner we just kept getting modified, and then they put hood pins in there, and the hood pins, the holes just kept building up, so it ripped, and so it was really flimsy, and the front wouldn't latch, the hood wouldn't latch at all. So then my brother, he found an 86 at the junk. Then he picked this front radiator support, just the top piece. He picked that up, he took it all off, and he's had it for a while. So this weekend we just put it all in, and we bought the tool, the where's that? Oh, let me look at it. Oh, we bought this tool right here. Dude, this is like invaluable, man, if you're gonna be taking panels off. Chicago welding, part number 63657, double-sided 3/8. It's perfect, dude. You don't even need to put pressure on it. You just drill out the spot welds and these panels just fall off. And so we welded it. We readjusted these panels, these rails, adjusted the bottom rails, adjusted the inner fender here, adjusted this whole top piece, and re-welded it on. Just spot welded a bunch of places here, two over here, one in down there, two up here, two up on the side here, and it's pretty sturdy. It's like OEM, it doesn't move. Everything's bolted back up. It actually realigned a lot of the panels, and the front bumper fits minty now. Before it was a little bit off, but we took the time, since we had everything off, we smashed the rail straight. We had adjusted a bunch of the railing down there. This is like a 2-day thing. We could have done it one day, but we had things to do, so nothing. It's not perfect, but for the most part, the panels line up really nice now. We readjusted his zinky bumper here too. He's got a JDM zinky grill right there, and you can see the radiator fits well. What was it? This panel right here, it's not perfect because when the car got hit, it moved everything that way, And so we've got this one in and this one in, but the rest of them, it's just gonna have to be like this, because without having taken it to like a frame place, this is as best as it can get. Alignment is fine. My brother just installed these JDM skirts here. You see, looks really good. He has these discontinued little section here. I don't have these. I think I heard something like the MK3 Supras have them that you can use, or MK2s. Some of them might have some. Reinstalled these with the OEM clips. This oil cooler was all bent up, so it bent it back into shape. Fixed all the railing right here, and it's nice and sturdy. It's not going anywhere. Aligned, had to align the whole buckets, all the buckets. Drilled out some of the bracketry down there so that we can use the original holes. Redid a bunch of these so they'll go back into the original factory places right here. The harness is tucked correctly now. Latch fits perfectly, goes right in the middle, and it's good. I mean, it clicks in like a little Swiss watch. And redid all these. It's not perfect, but this car never was perfect. We got it pretty beat up, but now you can tell everything lines up really nice. See that? Nothing's really off. Took a lot of adjustment. This was like on and off, on and off. We welded this side, and then we had to take it off again because it was off. So we took it off and then re-welded it, and then this side was a little bit okay, but for the most part, everything looks OEM. You know, if nobody told me, you know, and I didn't see this right here, I would think that it's all OEM. But because he got the color to match his car too, kind of, and I don't know, it's good. Let's close this hood. Hold on. Those are the panel gaps right there. Before, this would be gapping. It'd be like, it would go like this. But now it's, man, look at that. I mean, it's not perfect, but it's all even. This gap is a little smaller, but it's all even, and an even gap all the way through here. But that's good. Just realigned it. These are all the different spot welds that we took off. There. That tool made quick work of it. And it just comes off as soon as you get all the right spot welds. And just got one more side. He's got actual JDM visors here. One more side, and then we'll be done for the day. Thanks for watching, guys.